Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Midjourney on your mobile. So first is to open any browser that's available on your phone and type Midjourney or Midjourney AI. And then from this Wikipedia I was able to see the official website. So tap on midjourney.com and you'll be headed to this page or their server and tap on join the beta. And you will be invited to their Discord, so just tap accept invite, and now from there just swipe it to the left for you to see your profile icons and just choose there any group. So for example, newbies 117, and then you can just write down on the messages this slash image that you wish to, and then you can just tap that image. And if you wish to download that or save that image, tap on it and then tap the three dots on the upper right, and you can save, share, or open it in a browser. So that's it. If you find this helpful, don't forget to give us a like and subscribe for more updates.